Jula here. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see on the title, I will be doing a challenge with my mom. So itong challenge na to is called My Mom Chooses My Outfit for a Week. Pero hindi natin siya gagawin for the whole week kasi nga I only have 5 days of school. And tuwing Tuesday, PE namin yun. So meron kaming uniform for that. So pipiliin lang ni Mommy outfit ko for Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. So, parang every other day. Since walang uniform sa school namin, super hirap pumili ng outfit na susuotin mo every day. So, I'm very excited for this video. Actually, last year ko pa ito pinaplano pero hindi na namin na-film. So, this will be my first video ngayong year. So, ayun na nga. Pipili si Mami ng 4 outfits na susuotin ko for school and then i-rate natin siya every day. And ipapakita ko sa inyo every day kung ano yung mga napili niya. So, let's just start with the video and tatawagin ko na si Mami. Eto, nilabas ko na yung choices mo for pambaba. Tapos yung pagtaas, ayun, pipili ka dyan sa cabinet. Hindi namang sleeveless, pero kailangan naka-jacket ako. Kasi bawal sleeve. Ikaw pipili kung kailan ko sasuotin kung Monday ba. Monday pala, I need mag-jacket kasi dun kami sa computer room. So, dapat yung jacket okay dun sa sasuotin. Kapag tulog na siya. Alin wag sasuotin sa school. May tag pa.
Monday kasi nasuotin.
Ma, crop top yan tapos ito yung dito high-waisted. Makikita yung chan ko. Wala nga belt yan eh. Ayun, pwede yan. Na ano ko yan, nabebeltan ko yan.
Ito.
Oo, ano ba yan? Ako pinapapili mo.
Yung tinatanong ko lang kung alin din yung pants mo na ano.
Sipin mo din kung ano shoes susuotin ko. Shoes. Pati shoes.
Aba? Ano ang plain tsaka ano may ilan. Bakit ganito ang mga ano mo, damit? May ikli?
Grabe yun eh.
Thank you. Tapos pa tayo matatapos dito.
Hirap ko pumili, buti na ikaw pipili.
Nire-read ko lang yung ano mo, close-up mo. Baka may kasya na sa akin. Ito ha, nakakadalawa na ako. 1, 2, 3. Nakatatlo na pala ako.
Isa na lang.
Anak.
Ay, cute.
Ang cute ano? Ah! Barbie.
Andito.
Oo.
Okay.
Ito definitely ano to, sandals.
Ito.
Tuesday.
Hindi. Well, Tuesday pink ko.
Tuesday.
Wednesday na Wednesday.
Ah, okay. Wednesday. Oh, ito na.
Okay.
Pipicture lang kita.
Nakpicturean
yung
kita.
ano ha.
Okay. We're done. Thanks, Mommy. Okay, so tapos na piliin ni Mommy outfits ko. So this will be outfit number 1 for Monday. And then outfit number 2 for Wednesday. 3 for Friday. And then yung 4th outfit is for Sunday.
The next day.
So hey guys, I just got home from school and it is already 5:55 PM. So hindi ko alam kung na-explain ko na maayos kanina yung outfit ko. Pero ipapakita ko ulit siya sa inyo. Okay, so for Monday's outfit, so unahin ko na itong jacket. So this one is from World Balance. So binigay sa akin to ni Mommy. So sinuot ko lang to kasi super lamig dun sa room na pinag-stayan namin. So, ito yung outfit for Monday. So, I got this turtleneck top na white. I got this one from Celine. Gift to sa akin ni Mommy. And then, I have this skirt na plaid yung style niya. So, I got this one from an online shop called Glitzy Glam. Then, my shoes for today. My shoes for today are my Air Force 1 shadows. So, and yung outfit natin for Monday. The score out of 10.
8, syempre.
Wow! 8! Cute nga yung outfit ko ngayon eh. So, hey guys, I'm back for Wednesday's outfit. So, I just got home from school and magti 3 o'clock na. So, hindi ko siya napakita kaninang umaga. Again, kasi maaga talaga ako umalis and I don't have time na in the morning. Nandito ako sa room nila Mommy ngayon kasi feeling ko mas makikita niya na maayos yung outfit dito. So, ito yung overview ng outfit. Okay, so, first of all, I have this jacket from Krisa. So, crop lang siya na denim jacket. And then, my pants are from Glitzy Glam Shop on Instagram. Again, same as yung skirt na suot ko nung Monday. And then, my shoes are my Air Force Ones ulit. So, ito yung panloob na top ko. So, this Venus top is from a brand called Doty or Doty. I don't know. Pero, ayan. Kaya ako nag-jacket kasi bawal sleeveless sa school namin. Pero, ayan. This is how the outfit looks like. Okay, so if I would rate this outfit, bibigyan ko to ng 8 or 9. Kasi actually, nasuot ko na tong outfit na to before and hindi ko alam kung nakita na ni Mommy yun. I really like how it looks and I'm super happy with it. Ayun, I will see you guys on Friday for the third outfit. So, hey guys, today is Friday. So, I will be showing you yung third outfit. So, ito muna yung overview, guys. So, ayan siya. Okay, so the top, I got this one from Krisa. And then yung pants ko is from H&M. And fun fact, first time ko suotin yung pants na to and yung ganitong style na pants. So this is a wide-legged pants. Then the shoes I got from Bata. Ito yung pinili na sandals ni Mommy kasi nga mas kita yung style ng pants. I wore this one. So this is a turban headband. I got this one from NCAT. Yung pangalan ng store, bili ko to sa may Venice Grand Piazza Mall sa may BGC. So, ayan. This is how the outfit looks like. I actually like how the outfit looks like, pero yun nga, since ngayon ko lang nasuot tong pants na to, yung ganitong style, medyo hindi ko siya masyadong feel. And, ayan, bumagay siya sa top ko. Yung end part ng sleeves nito, medyo ganun din yung style. So, ayan. Turn na sila. And, I like na fitted siya. Tapos, maluwag yung pants. I-rate ko tong outfit na to. I think I would give this 7.5. I'm happy about it kasi nga, I was able to try something new. Ano re-rate mo sa outfit ko?
8.
Pakasya mo.
8.
Bakit 8?
Maganda yung nagsuot. Maganda yung ano.
Maganda yung nagsuot!
Maganda yung outfit, yung nagsusuot pangit.
Ano re-rate mo sa outfit na ginawa mo? 8? 8? 8 Fraser, rate mo nga yung outfit ko. Elmo, rate my outfit. Ano masasabi mo sa outfit ko? Wala? Wala? Ari! Ayaw niyo ko pansinin, ha? So, I will be seeing you guys on Sunday for the 4th outfit. So, yun na yung last outfit natin for this week. So, I will see you guys on Sunday. Okay, so hey guys. So, today is a Sunday. So, I will be showing you the 4th and the last outfit for this video. Ito yung overview ng outfit. So, first I have this black na mock top from Pen Shop. Tapos, meron lang siyang parang ganitong style na sleeves. Tapos, 3/4 siya. Then, it's cropped. And then, I have this light wash mom jeans. Yan, tinupi ko lang siya sa ilalim. So, I got this jeans from Paddock. My shoes are my strappy sandal. Tinanggal ko na kasi sa tali. I'm also wearing yung turban ulit na nabili ko from NCAT. So, ayan. And then, a heart necklace. So, that's the outfit for today. So, if I would rate this outfit, I will give this an 8 out of 10 kasi it's really, really nice. Hindi lang ako super comfy sa kung gaano ka-crop tong top ko. Pero it's still okay. And kung pipili ako ng isang outfit sa lahat ng ginawa ni Mami, I will choose yung una, yung white top and then yung skirt. I really, really love how it looks like on me. It's super, super cute and I'm super comfy dun sa outfit na yun. guys, good morning. So it's already 7:40 and I'm about to go on a breakfast meeting with my mom. Maaga pa kaya it's cold pa. So eto, I'm going to show you what I decided to wear. Parang bonus na to. Bonus outfit. Para lang mabuo yung 1 week. I'll be inserting some bonus outfits for you guys to see if gusto nyo man i-recreate to or what. So, the first one, I have here this top na sweater, then black siya. This is actually knitted and it's super nice. Hindi siya super kapal. Hindi rin naman siya super nipis na giginawin ka na. So, this top is from Terra Nova. So, I got this one a long time ago. But it still fits me kasi nga oversized yung kinuha ko. So, tinock in ko siya dito sa shorts na to. So, I'm wearing this light blue na shorts na medyo high-waisted. So, I got this one from H&M. Yung shoes ko lang is a nude na strappy sandals from SNH. Yung itsura na outfit ko for this morning para sa breakfast meeting namin. So, okay, so hey guys, I'm back. So this is another bonus outfit for you guys. So today is a Saturday. So I spent my day with my family. So we went to the mall to watch a movie. So I will show you guys what I wore today. So ito yung overview ng outfit ko. Okay, so first I have this top from Glitzy Glam Shop on Instagram. It's just a gingham patterned na off-shoulder, tapos black and white siya. And then, yung sleeves niya parang puff sleeves. And then, I have this skirt from Forever 21. Ito matagal na to sa akin, pero kasya pa rin siya sa akin. So, this is just a plain white na mini skirt. And then, for shoes, I have on my Air Force One Shadow. And then, I paired it with a black bag from Charles & Keith. So, ayan na yung outfit ko today. Black and white themed siya. So, ayan. By the way, guys, yung mga bonus outfit na pinapakita ko sa inyo, hindi si Mommy yung nag-style nun. So, ako yung pumili ng mga outfits. So, I hope you guys still like it. That's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. And sana meron kayo nakuhang inspiration sa mga outfit na pinakita ko sa inyo. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below any video suggestions. And don't forget to subscribe to see more videos of me. You will see me next time, guys. Bye!